want to show you Abacaneros of Catanduanes that here in DOST, we recognize all of your efforts and hard work in sustaining the industry. ABACAnobasyon will give you the necessary knowledge and skills to sustain the industry through a series of trainings, lectures, and workshops that can provide you with the latest agricultural methods, practices, and trends for successful abaca processing and production.
We at the Department of Science and Technology are well aware of these efforts. We know that Catanduanes hold abaca dearly. We consider it your bread and butter and one of the main sources of your life. This is one of the many reasons why the DOST is in full mode supporting and recognizing all of your initiatives and in helping sustain the industry. The department also financed a project for the advanced evaluation of abaca hybrids whose beneficiaries were you, mga kababayan naming Catanduanes. This initiative developed and supplied 10,000 pandala planting materials for adaptation to Catanduanes State University, CATSU, farmer cooperators, as well as established 2-hectare abaca experimental farm in selected areas of the province.
The PhilFIDA also recognizes the need for continuous study and research on science, technology, and innovation on sustainable development of abaca. The PhilFIDA is opening its avenues for cooperation, collaboration, and sharing of resources to achieve a resilient, sustainable abaca industry.
Maugma kita sa ngunyan ta nagkakasararo ang gabos na ahensya na yaon digdi. For the first time in the history of the province, natawan kita ning atensyon bako sana kang mga ahensya sa probinsya kan rehiyon kundi mismo kang national government. Naog makitangon yan dahil ang DOST mismo nagsabi that they will put in around 30 million budget for research digdi sa abaca sa Catanduanes. At ibinibida natin ang makabagong pamamaraan at teknolohiya na maaaring magamit upang makabuti ang produksyon ng abaca sa ating bansa. Kasama dito ang mga bagong pamamaraan sa pagtatanim, pag-aaruga at pag-aani ng abaca, pati na rin ang mga makabagong teknolohiya sa pagproseso at paggawa ng mga produktong abaca. Bukod dito, ipinapakita natin sa mga manonood ang mga bagong paraan na pag-promote at pag-market ng ating mga produkto.